Welcome to What's New at Renew. And so today I'm really excited because we have Jamie with us, and she is a physician's assistant that has started. When did you start with us, Jamie?
June or July.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's been a few months, and she is wonderful. And we're going to talk today about something that is not talked about enough, and that is intimate wellness for women.
Preach, sister.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, as you age and your hormone levels drop, or even before that, after you have children and life happens, many things can change. And some of those things are, urinary incontinence can occur. You may notice that you have more dryness in that area, maybe more laxity. Perhaps you don't like the way you look, and it can be a little embarrassing. So we have something that addresses that, and I know that Jamie herself has had some. Not only does she know how to perform the treatment, but she's also received it, and so have I. So we're going to talk about that. So Jamie, tell us a little bit about the Votiva and how it works. And
I'm just so happy to be talking about it because it's truly one of my favorite treatments we offer here. And Trish, you can stop me or redirect me, but I can talk about it from the professional aspect and from the personal aspect. So like you were talking about aging, people always think urinary incontinence just like childbirth or weight sort of stuff, but truly just the aging process alone changes things. And you're right, as far as the aging of the vaginal tissue, it dries, it thins. I did my fair share of cervical exams, and so I've seen healthy tissue and I've seen thin, dry, red, angry tissue, and it's just painful. Let's just face it, that's painful.
Absolutely.
And the urinary incontinence, I could speak to that one. So I have 3 daughters. I'm 44 years old, so I'm kind of hitting that perimenopausal range. And I always laugh because, I say, I can run without peeing and I can laugh without peeing, but I cannot simultaneously run and laugh without maybe being like, uh-oh. Well, I'm just going to pause here. So the Votiva is a game changer. It is a game changer. And it's so let's cut to the chase on what it does. It delivers uniform heat to the surrounding areas, tissue, internal and external. And in doing so, just like we use lasers and stuff on our face to induce collagen, same things happen just in a different region, and an important region. Let's face it.
Sure, very important, especially if you're in a relationship.
Exactly.
And you wanna continue having intimacy with your partner. I mean, we laugh about it, but I have seen a lot of tears about it in my office. So definitely have talked to lots and lots of women who feel that is just fallen by the wayside. And the good news here is that it doesn't have to. I mean, it's simple, it's not painful, it's not surgery, it's no downtime.
Game changer.
And it changes that area so that you can have the intimacy that you want with your partner. And just also, you don't have to worry when you're out jogging or coughing or sneezing.
That's a bonus.
That's a bonus.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Actually, that was not just a bonus. That was actually my initial. That was my main reason initially. Mm-hmm. But I'm 2 of 3 treatments in. Typically, 3 treatments are what's considered optimal.
Right.
I could tell a change after first treatment, and second one. So we were talking about just even the outside structures, right? Back in the dark ages, episiotomies, now they're considered archaic. Like unless they're absolutely necessary, episiotomies aren't performed during labor anymore.
Right.
Labor and delivery. But my first daughter, episiotomy. My second daughter, born with a hand on her head and tore me, and then third daughter, by then everything was just like, whatever. Here I come. But it does do a lot of damage. and vaginal laxity becomes an issue, and just the things that I've noticed the most, my boyfriend would agree with, it helps tighten tone. I appreciate that too, but just I feel like I look better. It's plumped, tightened, and firmed everything in the region, and it definitely has improved, and that matters to me.
Yeah.
Whether I had someone in my life or not, that matters to me.
Absolutely. Yeah, you want to live your best life.
Right.
And you want to be comfortable with your own body.
Yeah.
And so, I hear that a lot. I just don't feel good about myself. And so don't suffer. I mean, this is something that is available right now. It works.
Right.
I've had one treatment. I'm gonna have another. So, it's been very popular. With the women that have done it, we've heard really good reviews. So we'd love to see you here at Renew. Just give us a call or go to our website at renewmetoday.com. Come on, visit us, and we'll take care of this.
And I would so look forward to meeting anybody out there and talking more, because there's so many benefits to it. We've scratched the surface, but
Correct.
There's a lot of benefits. So I love that we can offer something that can have such a positive effect.
Absolutely. So thanks for being with us for What's New at Renew today, and we'll talk to you soon.